listening to The Revenue Engine with Michael Pacheco, a veteran CMO who has driven over $10 billion in revenue in the past decade with strategic marketing and customer-centric leadership. Join your host as he transforms marketing departments from cost centers into profit centers. Prepare to shift your marketing into high gear and drive unprecedented growth.
Are you ready to take your marketing to the next level with advanced analytics? Let's explore some powerful techniques that can transform your marketing strategies. Hi, I'm Michael Pacheco, fractional CMO for health and health-adjacent technology companies. Today, I want to discuss advanced analytics techniques that can enhance your marketing outcomes. First, let's talk about predictive analytics. Predictive analytics involves using historical data to predict future trends, future behaviors. This technique can help you anticipate customer needs, optimize marketing campaigns, make data-driven decisions, and sell more. Just a couple quick examples. Netflix recommended viewing is basing that. What they're offering you in their recommended shows for you section is based on your viewing history. Amazon will also recommend products to you based on your purchase history. 3 things to mention here. Number 1 is going to be identifying trends. Predictive analytics helps identify emerging trends in customer behavior and market dynamics. This allows you to stay ahead of the curve and adjust your strategies accordingly. This is huge, especially if you are in commodities or if you're in e-com or manufacturing. If you see a trend coming where you know that people are going to need a lot of product X in the next 6 months, because AI has been paying attention to all this stuff happening in the background, and AI says, hey, big demand for this coming up. You can pre-order that. You can fill your warehouse. You can make intelligent decisions that prepare you for things that are coming down the road. This obviously extends well beyond commodities and product manufacturing and things like that. But as an example, there you go. Number 2, optimizing campaigns. By predicting which campaigns will perform best, you can allocate resources more effectively and maximize ROI. All right. Number 3, reducing churn. Predictive models can identify customers at risk of churn, enabling you to take proactive measures in order to retain them. Super powerful stuff, guys. Next, let's dive into customer segmentation. This technique involves dividing your customer base into distinct groups based on shared characteristics, behaviors, needs, etc. 4 things I want to bring up here. Number 1 is going to be behavioral segmentation. That's where we segment customers based on, believe it or not, behavior. Wow. Things such as purchase history, browsing patterns, engagement levels, etc. It allows you to tailor your marketing efforts to each group's specific interest. Number 2, demographic segmentation. Group customers based on demographic data. That's factors such as age, gender, income, education, geolocation. It helps you create more targeted and relevant marketing messages. Number 3, psychographic segmentation. Segmenting customers based on things like lifestyle, values, personality traits. The deeper understanding allows for highly personalized marketing messages that resonate deeper on a more emotional level with your audience. As we've talked about in previous videos, people make purchase decisions from an emotional place, and they justify purchase decisions from a logical place up here. Things like brand loyalty, building brand trust, all of that happens. That's all emotional, not logical. Psychographics are super important. Final one, geographic segmentation, dividing customers by their geographic location. This can help you tailor your marketing efforts based on regional preferences or cultural nuances. Moving on, personalization. Let's talk about that. Personalization is so important to creating more engaging and relevant customer experience. By using data to understand individual customer preferences, you can tailor your marketing messages and offers. 4 things I want to bring up here. Number 1 is dynamic content. Let's use dynamic content to personalize your website, your emails, your advertisements. This ensures that each customer sees content that is most relevant to them. When a customer sees a marketing message, they're going to be more likely to buy if the marketing message that they see is very general, very generic, written for millions of people? Or do you think they might respond better if the marketing message they receive feels personalized? Like your brand is writing directly to them. It's a message meant just for that person, right? Doesn't take a rocket surgeon to figure that out. Number 2, product recommendations, leveraging data to provide personalized product recommendations based on past behavior, based on customer behavior, based on their preferences, based on their purchase history. This can increase sales, obviously, improve customer satisfaction. If they're stumbling across things they already know, or they're stumbling across things, are like, wow, I didn't know that existed. This is so cool. Amazon is the easiest example of this kind of product recommendation thing. Go check out Amazon. Amazon's a great one. You see it on Facebook too all the time, right? Whoever's advertising on Facebook has a Facebook pixel installed on their website. If you visit a website on, let's say, shaving, right? You go back to Facebook and you scroll for 5 minutes. How many shaving ads do you think you're going to see on Facebook? A lot, right? Product recommendations. Number 3, customized offers. Create personalized offers and discounts for different customer segments. This can drive engagement and boost conversions. Personalizing things. Creating specific offers for specific people with specific needs. Final one, number 4, customer journeys. Map out personalized customer journeys based on data insights. This helps guide your customers through sales funnels more effectively. It helps illuminate points of friction within that customer journey so that you can then go back through and make adjustments in your marketing campaigns, in your customer journey for that segment to remove friction and make it easier for them to slide through that funnel from they've never heard about you to now they're a repeat customer.
Are you dreaming of digital domination? Wake up to Boxer, your dream team for web services, marketing logistics, SEO, and content. We don't just help you play the online game, we help you change it. If you're ready to rewrite the rules of your industry's digital landscape, visit boxer.agency today and let's get started.
In conclusion, advanced analytics techniques like predictive analytics, customer segmentation, and personalization can significantly enhance your marketing strategies. By leveraging these techniques, you can improve customer engagement, you can optimize campaigns, you can drive better business outcomes. We're not marketing for the sake of marketing, we are marketing for the sake of a business objective, for business outcomes. We're trying to reach a business goal, we're trying to make sales here. Marketing should be a profit center. So what I want you to do right now is reflect on your current use of analytics. Question number 1, are you leveraging predictive analytics to anticipate trends and optimize campaigns? Question number 2, how effectively are you segmenting your customer base? Think about what more you can do to better segment your customer base. Not only how effectively are you doing it, but what else can you do to more effectively do it? Question number 3, what steps can you take to personalize your marketing efforts and create more engaging customer experiences? Considering these questions exposes opportunities for improvement and implementing advanced analytics into your current marketing strategy. And if you're struggling with any of this, if you're struggling to adopt analytics techniques in your marketing strategy, I'm here to help. Reach out to me. Let's chat. It's completely free. I have nothing to sell you. And my only goal here is to provide you with actionable value that you can apply directly to your business. You can get at me on LinkedIn or by reaching out to me directly on my website, michaelpacheco.co. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and let me know in the comments what was valuable for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're watching this on YouTube. And if you're listening to this as a podcast, please give us a review on whatever platform it is that you're listening on. All of these things help us reach more folks and help more businesses. And that's really our big goal here. I want to thank you for doing what you do and all the contributions that you make in the world. As ever, I'm Michael Pacheco. Until next time, cheers.
You've been listening to The Revenue Engine with Michael Pacheco. For inquiries into market leadership, tailored strategies, or personalized consulting, visit michaelpacheco.co.